In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn photo to anime character in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean side-by-side before and after that shows your original photo next to a stylized anime version. All you need is a Canva account and the photo you want to transform. Start by opening a template in Canva. Pick any size that fits your project. An Instagram post, a landscape presentation, or whatever your final use will be. A blank template is perfect because it gives you room to arrange a comparison. Next, head over to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Upload your photo if it isn't there already, then click it to drop it onto the canvas. Once it's on the page, resize it using the corner handle so it fits nicely. Keep your subject centered and large enough to show detail. If guides appear, use them to line things up cleanly. Reposition the photo until you're happy with the framing. Duplicate the image so you can do a before and after comparison. Place the second image to the right of the original, leaving a bit of breathing space between them. This sets you up to apply the effect on one copy while keeping the original intact. Now, open the Apps panel from the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Animeify and open the Animeify app. You'll see several style options below. Choose the overall look you want: lively, classic, vibrant, or soft, depending on whether you prefer punchy colors, traditional anime lines, bright saturation, or a gentler pastel feel. With your style picked, click the Animify image option to process your photo. Give it a moment to load. The app will generate the anime-styled version for you. When it's ready, select the new image. It will appear in your uploads or on the canvas. Place it over the duplicated photo on the right so the transformation is clear and side by side. If you'd like a clean cutout, select the anime image and click BG Remover. This will remove the background and help the character style stand out on any color or layout. If BG Remover is available in your account, it's a quick way to get a polished result without distractions behind your subject. That's it. You opened a template, uploaded and placed your photo, duplicated it for comparison, found Animeify in apps, chose a style, applied it, waited for it to generate, selected the result, and cleaned it up with BG Remover. Try different styles to see which matches your aesthetic and fine-tune the sizing and placement so your before and after looks balanced and professional.